Hello dear students, good morning. So today we will read countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, students, I already taught you this chapter, but today we will do some book exercises of this chapter. So countable nouns. I hope you all know what are countable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns those we can count, जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर द नाउन्स दोज वी कैन नॉट काउंट, जिन चीज़ों को, जिन थिंग्स को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द बॉय हैज़ 3 toys. हाउ मेनी टॉयज आर देयर? 1 2 3. यू कैन काउंट. दीज आर 3 toys. So we can count the toys. So toys are countable noun. Okay, so our toys are the countable nouns. Then second sentence, I drink some milk. Some milk. Students, milk is a uncountable noun. Milk is an uncountable noun, so some will come here. Okay, one more thing student, जो चीज़ countable होती है, the nouns those are countable, we always write number before them, like 2 people, 3 books, 4 chocolates, like this. Okay, the things which we can count easily, and all the liquid things and grains, cereals, pulses, we cannot count them, so we will not write the number before them. Okay, so let's start our book activities. So come to the first exercise. Circle the uncountable nouns and underline the countable nouns. In this exercise, some words are given to you. You have to find out whether it is uncountable or countable. So if it is uncountable, you make a circle before that around the spelling, and if it is countable, you have to underline that word. Okay, suppose here is hat. Hat is, we can count hat, so hat is countable. We will put a line under the spelling. Okay, then salt. Salt is what? Salt is uncountable noun, so we will make a circle around it. Okay, then so let's start with this. Rice. Rice is uncountable, so we will circle that. Honey, this is also uncountable, we will circle that. Tree, we can count tree, so we will make a line under this. Oil, we cannot count, make a circle. Cake, we can count, underline this. Grass, we cannot count. Okay, so make a circle here. Napkin, we can count, make a underline. Sofa, draw a line under this. Crayons, we can count them, underline this. Wool, we cannot count, it is an uncountable noun, make a circle around this. So like this you have to do all the exercises. Okay, then come to the next exercise. In this exercise, some options are given in red letters. Okay, and you have to pick the correct option with the help of the nouns those are given to you. Okay, so let's start with the first chapter. She bought one or some milk from the shop. Students, milk is uncountable noun, so one will not come. I already told you that number नहीं आएगा इसके पीछे. Okay, so some will come here, some will, so tick some. Then I pulled 2 little chairs by the fireplace. Chairs, we can count, so 2 will come. Tick 2. Okay, then did you spill some tomato sauce on the dress? Tomato sauce, we cannot count tomato sauce, so some will come here, so ticks on some. Okay, that we need a pinch of or 4 onions to add the salad. 4 onions we can count. Then in the next exercise, biscuits, some biscuits. Then books, we can count, तो many आएगा यहाँ पे. Okay, many we are using with the countable nouns. Okay, then come to the next exercise. In this exercise, complete the conversation with the noun from the box. Here is a yellow box, and in this box some options are given to you, so you have to read the conversation which is going between mother and his son. Okay, and you have to fill the correct option according to the sentence. Okay, mother, what mother is saying? Let's go to the supermarket, we need to buy some groceries, but first we need to make a shopping list. Then what Abhik says? Okay, we need half a kilogram of flour and 50 grams of paneer. 50 grams of paneer. I'm going to make a paneer rolls this evening. Grams paneer, okay? Then mother. That's good to hear. We also need to buy a loaf. It is a group. Loaf of bread. Loaf bread के लिए use होता है. Okay? Loaf of bread and a cartoon of dash pineapple juice. Cartoon of pineapple juice. You can also buy a bar means chocolate के जो group होते हैं उसको bar कहते हैं. Okay? So bar of chocolate. And I think father needs a new tube. यहाँ पे options में tube किसके लिए use होगा? You can see here shaving cream. A new tube of shaving cream. Then I think what Abhik said, I think we also need a bottle of jam. A bottle of jam. I want to buy a strawberry one. Here is a flavor of the jam. Okay, so jam will come here, a bottle of jam, and what will be the flavor? Strawberry one. Okay, then what mother said, we will also need a packet of dash. What is a packet? Washing powder. Washing powder is the powder from which we are washing our clothes. Okay, we also need a packet of washing powder and a few boxes of matches. Matches means matchbox matches. Okay, so I think that will be all. Let's go now. So this is the conversation. Okay, so these are the options. Okay, so fill them in your book and do all the book activities and read the chapter again. Okay students, thank you.